snoring loudly every night. It may not be just snoring. If you snore heavily, wake up tired even after 7, 8 hours of sleep, or your partner notices that you stop breathing for a few seconds at night, it could be a condition called sleep apnea. Hi, I am Dr. Sneha, Pulmonologist in Pune. Sleep apnea can disturb your breathing and sleep throughout the night. Get evaluated and consider a sleep study. A sleep study is a simple, painless overnight test that checks your breathing, oxygen levels, and sleep pattern to find out what is really happening.